Uncovering the Secrets of Sharks, Nature's Silent Hunters. Part 1, The Shadow in the Water. Picture this: you're floating in the middle of the ocean. The sun's blazing, waves are gently rocking you, and then, out of nowhere, a dark fin slices the water. Headed straight for you. Chances are, your heart just skipped a beat. Sharks have haunted our imaginations for generations. Painted as bloodthirsty beasts in movies and media, they've become ocean villains in the minds of many. But are they really? Today, we dive deep beneath the surface to discover the truth about sharks, their mysteries, their power, their misunderstood nature, and the incredible world they rule. Part 2, Ancient Predators That Outlived the Dinosaurs. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years. That's older than dinosaurs, older than trees, even older than Saturn's rings. These ancient survivors have lived through 5 mass extinctions. Their bodies, made of flexible cartilage rather than bones, allowed them to adapt and evolve through the ages with minimal changes. Ever heard of the Megalodon? This massive shark, now extinct, was as long as a school bus and had teeth bigger than your hand. Thankfully, it vanished millions of years ago, but its relatives are still lurking in our oceans today. Part 3, Super Senses, More Than Meets the Eye. Sharks are like the superheroes of the sea, equipped with senses that almost seem otherworldly. Smell, they can detect a drop of blood in an Olympic-sized pool. Hearing, sharks are tuned into low-frequency sounds from miles away. Sight, many sharks have excellent night vision and can see in near-total darkness. Electroreception, using special organs called ampullae of Lorenzini, sharks detect electric fields given off by living creatures. Your heartbeat, for instance? They can sense it. They don't just see or smell their prey, they feel its presence. Part 4, Masters of the Hunt. Contrary to popular belief, most sharks are not mindless killers. In fact, over 95% of shark species are harmless to humans. Sharks are strategic, intelligent hunters. The great white ambushes from below with explosive power. The hammerhead scans the seafloor for prey hiding in the sand. And the thresher shark uses its long tail like a whip to stun fish before eating them. Each species has its own method: some stalk, some strike, some wait. It's not chaos. It's calculated. Part 5, Nature's Healing Machines. One of the most fascinating shark mysteries? Their ability to heal fast. Sharks can recover from serious wounds in a matter of weeks, gashes, bites, even missing chunks of flesh. Their immune systems are incredibly strong, and some studies suggest they may even resist certain cancers. Scientists are studying shark DNA to unlock secrets that could transform human medicine. Imagine learning to fight disease from a predator of the deep. Part 6, Sharks You've Never Heard of. Sure, everyone knows the great white. But have you heard of these wild species? Goblin shark, with a long snout and jaws that shoot out like a slingshot, it looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. Cookie cutter shark, tiny, but nasty. It bites perfect circles out of whales, dolphins, and even submarines. Lantern shark, lives in the deep sea and glows in the dark to attract prey and hide from predators. The shark world is weird, wild, and full of surprises. Part 7. The Myth of the Man-Eater. Sharks kill fewer than 10 people a year. You're more likely to be killed by a vending machine or struck by lightning than attacked by a shark. So why are we so afraid? The answer lies in pop culture. Movies like Jaws turned sharks into monsters. News headlines amplify fear. And suddenly, a creature we barely understood became public enemy number 1. But fear doesn't match reality. Part 8, Humans are the real threat. While sharks may spark fear, it's humans who are the real danger. Each year, over 70 million sharks are killed, mostly for their fins. This isn't just tragic. It's devastating. Sharks are keystone species. They keep ecosystems balanced by controlling the population of other marine life. Remove sharks, and the whole ocean food web collapses. Many shark species are now endangered. Some are disappearing before we even discover them. Part 9, Mystery in the Deep. We've only explored less than 20% of the world's oceans. That means there are likely hundreds of undiscovered shark species still out there, swimming in the dark, far below the reach of our machines. Could there be a modern-day megalodon hiding in the trenches? Scientists say no, but the deep ocean has a way of keeping its secrets. One thing is certain, sharks are full of mysteries. The more we learn, the more fascinating they become. Part 10, Changing the Narrative. If we want future generations to experience healthy oceans, we must protect sharks, not fear them. Education is key. The more people understand about sharks, the more they appreciate their role in nature. Documentaries, conservation programs, shark tourism all help turn fear into fascination. Sharks aren't villains. They're survivors. Guardians of the seas. Living fossils that have earned our respect. Final thoughts: respect the hunter, save the ocean. Sharks aren't out to get you. They don't hunt humans. They're ancient, intelligent creatures that play a vital